We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Muln breaking out of key resistance levels, hitting new highs, and we have a lot to discuss here within the charts with 42 Vision. And it wasn't the only stock going higher. The SPY in the overall market was going higher. And this morning, our SPY bot since 9 a.m. sent us out a bull indicator and call options were up 50% plus. Then there was a bear indicator, very short-lived, and it was followed by another bull indicator later in the afternoon. And from that moment forward, call options were up 2 to 3x, guys, within the day. And this is our new release to have that edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities whether stocks in the overall market is going up or going down. And you can now gain access to this resource as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator and getting connected over with the SPY bot. So here we are with Muln. This is pretty exciting to see how we've been following this one since way down here at 70 cents to this point. We're going to break down everything in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them turned out to be a home run, and this is how they performed. So we caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards towards the bell, and it actually ran up 10 to 15% plus, pulled downwards, consolidated, and after that dip and reversal of strength and that bull indicator as an extra layer of confirmation, it hit a highest point of 20% plus, guys. Then we caught here TCBP. We caught this one in the pre-market pulling downwards, and within the volatility, it had jumps of 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%. But from the moment we caught it, as it was pulling downwards in the pre-market to its highest point, it hit a 40% plus run. And then we caught here PIK. We caught this one in the pre-market consolidating, and towards the bell pretty quickly within 15 minutes, it was up 30% plus. And within the rest of the day, consolidated, got that confirmation of strength, and went up to a highest point of 80% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into these charts. So here we are with Muln stock, and Muln stock continues to roar on higher. We broke through resistance levels that were key. We're currently above $2. And we're going to look at this with Ultimate 42 Vision and 42 Vision itself on the 4-hour and 1 day. And we're going to talk about why the stock went higher today. Some of you guys already know. Some of you guys are still trying to find out. But it was big news. And what was discussed there had an effect on the overall chart as well. So I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with Muln stock, and it's under a bull indicator since yesterday in the aftermarket hours. Yesterday, I was making a video, and we had not gone into the aftermarket hours. I actually made the video live during about 2 p.m., 3 p.m. in the market hours, and then it continued. And it got that bull indicator as I stated. We needed to see if a bull indicator popped up to negate this bear indicator. And there you got it, right? And it had that momentum continuation into today. And it started off in the morning above nearly $2, right? 205, 210. It was pretty strong, right? And the lowest point that it hit in the day was 199. It used $2 as support, bounced off, broke away from 209, 210, and hit new highs. And what's interesting is the second times it used as support, it was 205 to 209 before being able to bounce off and hit newer levels. and it even broke through the highs here before rejecting and coming down of 237. And right now, it is currently trying to find support there, and we're going to break it down in today's video, what levels to look at going into tomorrow, the rest of this week, and also the larger picture, guys, because tomorrow is a big day, and we're going to talk about it here in today's video. So let's go ahead and start off here with why the stock went higher, and it has to do with this news that came out this morning at 5 a.m., guys, and it states here that MULN stock was featured by Yahoo Finance Live today, and that created the momentum that we saw today, right? And the CEO went ahead and stated that he was proud of the incredible progress, right, that MULN stock has made so far, but that they were just getting started. Well, obviously, they're just getting started. They're trying to lift their stuff off the ground. That's pretty big, and that creates a huge growth story, right? A growth story that states that there's some positive outlook in the future for this company, and that creates the excitement of actually seeing it near these all-time lows, and it just continues to push up the next leg up. Just based off technicals, everything has been looking strong, and this news following it into today was huge. Now, for this to continue, it needs to stay above $2 or break out towards those resistance levels that it created today. And also, the news that came out in this article and in this live featuring is going to have a big impact on the future of the company the next following weeks and months. Now, the fact that it got featured by Yahoo Finance Live, that's pretty big, and I think that created the excitement we see today. Now, the reason why tomorrow is a big day is because it's Friday, liquidation. People don't like to hold over the weekend, especially traders, and that is going to have an impact on the charts, and this is why we need to see this hold above $2 so some of this momentum can roll over into next week or even the following weeks, right? So super important moving forward. Now let's look at this from the 4 hour so we can see the bigger picture, and this is where it continues to get stronger and stronger ever since we started making these videos. I stated during this time frame here as it was pulling downwards, it was actually the setup for the next bull run. We saw it. Then I stated we might see some form of action like that, whether it's consolidation or a slight pullback for the next bull run. And here we are now. Now, things are overextended here on the 4 hour. We need to see if it's going to continue because this bar right here is smaller than the previous wick. And that's where things are getting very, very interesting to watch this closely because the last time this happened was right here and it pulled back from 183 to lows here of 150, okay? Super important to realize, but it still had some strength within this area. Now, if we go ahead and look at this from the bigger picture on the 1 day, we have a bull indicator here on the 4 hour that's been strong all throughout. It used $1 as a support. We want to see $2 be used as support if it goes back towards it, not break through it. Super important to keep that in mind. But on the 1 day, the continuation has begun, right? And we have here a bull indicator followed up by a large bar. As I stated, we did not want to see this continue looking small or pulling back. We needed those bars and those wicks. Remember my terrible drawing in my previous videos, and I say it all the time. Ignore my terrible drawing. What we want is for this bull indicator to continue to dominate, remove that bear indicator, be the one dominating the chart, and these wicks to continue going upwards with strength like we saw here, which I've always gone ahead and compared it to this time frame here when things were pushing upwards. We got that bull indicator, dark green, and we're missing the bright green here of those bars and continuation, guys. So super important on the bigger picture. Now let's go ahead and zoom in again on the 30-minute and look at the supports and resistance we want to watch. So the first thing is $2, right? Down here at this area, $2. We have 205. I'll just round that down to $2 as a key support level. If it comes back towards it, we want to see the bulls bounce off of it, right? Now, before getting there, one of the recent lows here is 227. If that gets broken through, definitely something to watch between that area and $2. And to the upside, we want to see this break through 260. Remember in my videos, I stated how 240s, 230s were going to be important. If it broke through that 260, well, here we are. We hit the 260s, rejected it, and that's going to be a key level of resistance based off the history of the chart up here at the 260s, 263 mark. And then above that is up here at 360s and 350s. But right now, we want to see this break through 260s and then $3. As always, guys, if you guys want to gain access to this clarity within the charts and maximize within opportunities, no matter which direction stocks are going, and have that edge, plus our SPY bot and QQQ bot, check out the link down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us, and thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.